everybody, Denny here. Let's give that bridge something to stand on today, okay? It's just kind of suspended up there in midair. Let's give it some pilings to stand on. I'll meet you over at the easel. And here we go. Let me just straighten that camera up just a touch. Okay, today we're putting in the posts that hold this thing up. Now, I've used the watercolor pencil just to save some time, okay? And we got one, we got two, okay? And these guys, they're not quite as dark because they're being affected by the sun, okay? So they're not going to be as dark, just like that, okay? There they are. Now we've got these down here, like that. And then we got some little fellers here that are just kind of hinted at, like that. Now the thing's got a base that it's sitting on, and it's right there, just like that. This one's got a base. It's lighter because, again, it's in the brightness of the sun. And these guys, they're so far away, it really doesn't matter. And with that, we've got the posts holding the bridge up. Now tomorrow we'll do some more work around here and in the water and wherever we can think of. And please be with me. And remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get all notifications. Leave comments. We need the comments. That helps the algorithm, please. And remember, as always, that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. All righty. Well, now the bloody thing ain't going to fall into the water. Tomorrow we'll do some work on the water and a few other things and get ready to finish this up. So be with me tomorrow, and remember, Ann and I, we love you, we love you, we love you.